Finding a replacement bulb for your home can be as simple as swapping out a light bulb. But what do you do when you have a bulb that doesn't resemble a standard bulb? Don't worry, these are actually very common and can be found throughout your home in a variety of shapes and sizes. To start, identify the bulb by looking at the markings on its base. Your bulb may be one of these. If there are no markings on the base, you can identify it by the contacts, as any bi-pin base bulb will have extended pins with the distance between the pins determining the type of bulb. Now that you know your base, decide if you want an energy-efficient LED versus an incandescent bulb, such as halogen or xenon. Next, determine how bright you want your bulb to be. You may have heard this expressed as wattage or lumens, but essentially, the higher the number, the brighter the bulb. Please check your fixture to be sure that you are not purchasing a bulb with a higher wattage than your fixture can handle. Additionally, confirm that the voltage matches your bulb. Finally, choose your color temperature. If you want a stimulating whiter light, choose a higher color temperature. If you want a cozy yellow light, choose a lower color temperature. You are now ready to replace any light bulb, no matter the shape and size.